Hello. Yeah, I can see you cringing from here. It is dreadful, isn't it? Or it is wonderful if you are like me. You can't get away from it. I've got a Christmas present for you this week, and it is a little Christmas meditation for your inner child to retrieve that sense of wonder, that sense of excitement that we used to feel when we were less jaded, when we were younger. So if you are a parent, it can be a meditation for your inner child and your external child to do at the same time. So I'd like you to find a nice, comfortable place to sit. And as you know, if you know me, I want you to take a nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, keep that out breath nice and slow, nice and long. And another nice deep breath in. And breathe out nice and slow. And just keep breathing in this pattern. Nice and deep. Nice and long. And I'd like you to imagine that you are a child again. And it's Christmas Eve. It really is getting close to Christmas. And I'd like you to imagine a Christmas tree. Now, this Christmas tree could be a special tree from your past. It could be your current tree, or it could be an imaginary tree, your ideal Christmas tree, just perfect. And I'd like you to notice all the decorations. I'd like you to get close to it and notice the baubles, the colors, the shapes, the patterns. Notice what is on the tree, the tinsel, if it's got any lights. All of the colors. And as you are noticing all of these details, I'd like you to go inside yourself and notice that sense of excitement. Notice that sense of anticipation. And those feelings of warmth and wonder, still believing in that magic. And look all the way up to see what is at the top. Is it a star? Is it an angel? And I'd like you to look under the tree and notice all of the presents there. And what color or colors the wrapping paper is, the shapes, the sizes. And there might be one of these presents that you are particularly drawn to. So I'd like you to pick it up and look at it and feel it and shake it. And as you do, you notice that on the wrapping paper, it says, "You can open me now." So I'd like you to unwrap it. And as you do, you just know inside yourself that this present comes from someone very kind, very loving, and very wise, who knows you extremely well and has packaged in that present something that you really, really need in your life right now. So once you have opened your present, just take a moment to see what it is. Feel it in your hands and see it from all the angles and notice everything about this thing, either a material object or something more abstract that you really need in your life right now. And take time to appreciate it, to value it. Just see how beautiful it is and how special it is. And this is a present for you to keep and to carry with you forever, wherever you go. And when you're ready now, you can come back into the room and open your eyes again. Happy Christmas from me, Nadolig Klauwen. Bye.